Hello, this is my COVID-19 mask. I've been wearing it all day. I've been wearing it forever. Except for it scared my kids last night, so I'd take it away. Scary, huh? So, welcome to your extended yearbook edition. You guys are going to do your personal yearbook pages, and that's going to be so much fun, right? So, I'm going to show you how to do that. And then I will put your page number assignments on Canvas. So you'll complete 2 pages. That's one dual page spread of your personal yearbook, right? And so you go to Yearbook Avenue login, right? So just like this, okay, just like we used to do in class. Your username and password is going to be the same. If you have issues with that, just contact me. But the difference is the job number. The job number is 48287. So there you go. There's your job number. And then you press your username and password, whatever it was during the year. I think it's the same as your lunch. It was your login ID and your lunch number. And then just go here. And then you go to the pages that you are assigned, right? So page ladder, create page ladder. And then if you are assigned, right, if you're assigned this page right here, click on it, and then you can do whatever you want. And remember that some of you will have to do this Adobe Flash thing and allow. Remember how to do that, okay? And if not, sometimes there's a pop-up blocker here that you have to go in and manage and then allow, right? And so what do you want to do? Okay, so what you first have to do is make sure you have an eye line, and that eye line is either in the bottom third or the top third of the page. Okay, the very first thing that you do, and there are some YouTube videos about this, but I'm just going to give you the gist of it, okay, is you got to upload pictures, right? And if you need to, you can get some pictures from before, but it should have all the pictures from our other Yearbook Avenue on here. So if you want to use any of those pictures, that's fine for your own personal pages, or you can upload your own personal pages. Maybe do what you did during this whole quarantine thing, but you just add a picture, and we all went through this, right? You got to make a dominant element first, right? And you place that picture somewhere, and it's either hanging or above your eye line. So your eye line will be right here. Then you just start adding pictures and captions, right? And you can choose whatever font you want, and you can do whatever, but you have to at least have 10 pictures and 5 fonts to get full credit, okay? And you probably want to do like a title up here or whatnot. Now, if you want to build your design differently, there's kind of a cool thing here on Jostens that you can do a modular design. So you go to designs right here, okay? And there's some templates, but if you go to the where are they? These modular designs, this is kind of a cool way to do it. This is the easy way to do it. Is you go to templates and you choose one of these guys right here, and it just basically has already the page set up for you, and you just kind of plug in different things that you want to put right there. So this is kind of neat. So you basically have your stuff here, it kind of lays it out. But then modular design means that each of these little separate colored boxes is a different kind of setup. So then, and you can use this, you don't have to use this. Again, 10 pictures, 5 fonts are the minimum. So blue modules, so you can see the blues. So you pick any of these things, and they already have them made, so you can put them in the blue module places, right? So you just put them wherever, and it already automatically puts that there, right? So if you want to put those things there, and then you look at the pink module right there, and you can throw one of these in there. It's kind of a photo bar type of deal. So you can throw in one of these up here maybe, and then maybe you want this one to be a little bit different. Okay, so you can throw those in, and then you can go to the purple modules, which are these ones down here, and you can throw different things in there. Again, it doesn't have to all be the same. This is your page, but again, 10 pictures, 5 captions are the minimum, right? And then you can just keep on building it, right? And then you can put whatever you like in any of these modules. And you build your page, and then once you have it built, you just fill it in, right? And then when you're done, you let me know and I can look at it, right? So here's a pink module, and then you can put whatever you want down there. There's this one, and again, I'm not even trying on this, I'm just throwing things in, right? And then the blue module is the one that I'm missing right here. So I think that's the one I'm missing. Nope. The heck? What one's that one in the middle? Is that green? I know my computer screen's being weird this morning. There we go. Throw that in. Throw that in. So there's your page. You fill in the pictures. You write the captions, right? You can change the colors if you want. Make sure they're all the same if you want to. You know, just highlight the text. If you want to move these around, you can ungroup them, and then you can start messing with them a little bit more, right? So you go to Format, and then if you want to mess with these a little bit more, and this is being slow because my internet, for some reason, it's being slow this morning. But if you want to pull these apart, you can just ungroup them, and now they're all separate pictures and captions. But if you want to change the color, and you can again change the color to whatever you want. This is your page, your personal page. You put whatever you want on it as long as it's not illegal and school appropriate, right? And so if you want to put some Jaguar colors or whatnot right there, you can do Jags. Okay. Once you have it all done, then you can, of course, save it, right? And then you can go to print, and you can actually download it right here. Download it, right? And this will probably go in yours. If you have a Chromebook, it'll go into your drive, and then you can upload that to Canvas as the assignment, right? This is what we're going to do for the next part of the year, and if I need you for yearbook distribution, I will let you know if we need you for that. Any questions, just email me, please. You can also find me on Google Hangouts if you need to. Need a more thing, but my emails go to my phone. So I hope you guys are doing awesome. We finished the yearbook, and that was freaking awesome, let me tell you, right? So see you later.